I am in Salamanca, Spain. Outfit of the day. I'm gonna scale this staircase now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Jess and I am in Salamanca, Spain. I'm doing a program for Spanish teachers and there's this thing called the Congreso that starts today. So I am up, it is 8:40. I actually got to sleep last night. I did not sleep the night before because I was taking the flight over, and if you've ever gone to Europe, usually it's a red eye. So I get to go have breakfast now, and then it's like a maybe 15-minute walk to the place, maybe less. So yeah, if you're excited about my Salamanca vlogs, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy this video, give it a like. If you are coming from my daily vlogs on 75 Hard, I'm not sure if these will be daily vlogs or not because I don't know how much content I'll be really getting. Today looks like a long day of workshops and there's probably not going to be a lot to be filming. So if you miss a day in between, like it might become every other day, we'll see. We'll just see how the content comes together. So definitely subscribe so you can enjoy the adventure with me. It says it's sunny out, but it looks rather foggy, but it says sunny all day. I was wondering if I need a jacket or not, but I guess by the fried grass down there, that's probably an indication that it's not gonna rain. Look at that poor grass. Outfit of the day, sorry about the fan, I can't turn it off. So I've got a little dress, I got my Lululemon bag, I got the bag from my conference, we have little name badges. It's gonna be great, got a bottle of water, yay. Got my Rothy's shoes, I love these. So I went to my first 2 sessions and there was a really nice coffee break. We have the opening of the session, the whole conference at 12:30, which is in 15 minutes. I just have a fear it's gonna be like a lonely couple of days because it seems like most people know people here. And I don't really know how I'm supposed to like meet people with these kind of sessions where you're just like sitting there and listening. It doesn't seem like it's gonna be very interactive. I don't know if that's the case or not. And maybe at breakfast, that might be the time, but there's like all these people that are German that all seem to like kind of know each other or have all connected, so I'm honestly not really sure, but there's one lady from New Jersey, so I guess maybe I can try to hang out with her here and there. The coffee break turned out really good, so I'm really hoping there's lunch. It says like discusión. It doesn't say almuerzo, so I don't know. So yeah, we'll see what happens.
Una ciudad ultra segura, accesible, con una sanidad excepcional, una restauración cada día de mayor calidad y también con muchísimo amor.
Now we have some treats. They fed us lots of snacks. I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna go back to the hotel because it's a really long day. And there's like a musical thing tonight at 8, that's part of it. And I really wanna go to that and like a bunch of the other workshops, but I just can't imagine like doing the whole entire day. So I'm gonna go back and I think I'm gonna do a burn on demand, relax and rest a little, and then come back for some afternoon workshops. And I'm gonna scale this staircase now. Imagine just walking around and like this is your normal landscape. I wanted to show you real quick these shorts that I got on Amazon to wear under my dresses. I got them in a 4-pack for $20 and they're so good. It's just like a plain seamless material. I did have to size up. People in the comments were saying they ran small, so I got large and extra large to try, and I kept the extra large. But they're like $5 a piece. I have Thigh Society that I got last summer that I was really obsessed with. They're really light, but then there was a dress that I wore that like blew up in the wind, and they're so sheer you can just like see right through. They have different ones, but the ones I got were the sheer ones because I thought like, oh, it's gonna be super hot in Spain, like let me get the sheer ones so they're as light as possible, and then like they don't give you any coverage. So these are opaque, which I like, and I feel like I'm gonna like switch to these compared to the Thigh Society now more. They haven't really moved a lot. I feel like the legs themselves are staying put, so I do need to go back to the conference, but I just want to show you them because I really like them. So if I remember, I'll try to link them. Sometimes I forget to link stuff because I edit these like way after, and if I don't like watch back and think about it, you know what I'm saying? But I'll try. If I remember, I'll try. There's like so many things I should add to my Amazon storefront. I have one, but I like never update it, so maybe by then I'll update it for you. Maybe it'll be in there too. Another tip, this is so gross and random, but my Rothy's, because they're fabric, I feel like absorb smell quicker than like other shoes. So I randomly tried this Native all over body spray on them, and it worked like a charm. Like, I'm telling you, I brought this to Tampa because I knew I was gonna have a random roommate, and I was like, oh my God. And I thought I might wear these ballet flats like multiple days. And I was finding, again, TMI, like click off or fast forward if you don't want to hear this, but like this is real life. I was finding that after wearing my Rothy's for a couple days, like they would start to pick up some foot smell. And that's not cool. So I was like putting them through the wash every few wears at home, but obviously if I'm away and I'm wearing them like multiple times, like I was there for a while. It was 7 days of grading, so like I didn't know if I would wear them every single day. So it worked like a charm. I can't believe, like, I did put them through the wash when I got home, but like I probably didn't even need to. Like they didn't pick up the smell. So if you are like me and your tootsies get a little stanky, maybe try the Native all over body deodorant body spray. I got the coconut and vanilla. That's one of my favorite scents by them. They have all different scents. When I purchased it, I was intending it for a body spray, but I randomly tried it on my feet and it was magic. Okay, I need to go back to the conference though because it's 4:17. Well, I'm officially late. It's 4:30. I don't know how that happened. There it is. I just had city kebab. I was trying to find chicken, which barely exists in Spain. The first place is closing. Today's their last day open, so they said no, but city kebab was very good.